Hello, I'm Jerad Noble, welding instructor at Seward County Community College. The welding technology program trains students to become skilled craftsmen, harnessing both art and science into their profession. Building America through workforce education, hands-on projects, using industry-backed credentials and curriculum. All of this comes together for the perfect storm in the welding workshop. If you want something to last a lifetime, build it out of steel and iron, which is what training in the welding provides for our society. There's a lot of durability, strength, and customization in fabricated metal products. That's one reason welders hold an important place in the modern industrial workforce, specifically in manufacturing, construction, maintenance, and repair trades. This makes welders vital to any industry where metal is used in any capacity. Entry-level and advanced welding involves the fusion of metals using an electric arc, a gas torch to create useful metal projects from weld prints or original design. Welding technology students obtain valuable hands-on experience using up-to-date welding equipment and technology to assemble projects from weld prints in the campus welding shop. We've continued to upgrade our workstations so that students become familiar with equipment that they will encounter in the welding industry. Our welding instructors also work closely with other programs of study in the Industrial Tech Division to focus on trade-specific skills that can give students broader skill sets when entering the workforce. So get ready to put on a welding hood, strap on your work boots, and step into the world of welding, and we'll set you up on a path for a rewarding and exciting career.